I'm Rosann Kramer, owner of Runway Auto. We will take care of you and your car after an accident. Safety is our #1 concern. Besides the tools to bang out a dent, we use AllData to research the original equipment manufacturer's requirements for repairing your vehicle based on the parts and repairs needed. Each original equipment manufacturer, like Chevrolet, Honda, Kia, Ford, Toyota, or Subaru, to name a few, have specific requirements for every repair. This is how we research repairing your vehicle correctly. AllData will tell us, based on your vehicle identification number, your VIN, where to cut and weld a quarter panel. If the part is not welded in the correct area, the safety functions might not work, like airbags and sensors and crush zones in the metal. If it's not welded with the same type and number of welds, it could corrode, rust, or the weld could separate. Not every shop has or uses a system to verify your vehicle's required repair procedures. They just do it like they've been doing it for the last 30 to 40 years. I don't know about you, but my current vehicle is nothing like my first car. This is why it's important to know and trust that your repairer can and will research how to repair your vehicle. Rosann Kramer, Runway Auto, collision repair specialist using every tool to repair your vehicle safely.